Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look on the Forex market. Here we have actually minimal changes compared to yesterday's session. It's probably understandable. The market is preparing for payrolls report. ADP was slightly better than expected, around 180,000. So, as we said, it's probably we should not get any drastic shifts in the payrolls numbers because the all Donald Trump initiatives mostly will be reflected in the numbers for February, if it will be any retirement from the government authorities. So in January, probably, if even we will get some, it will be not really big amounts of these people. Things that we discussed yesterday actually have been completed. So on EUR currency, what we have, we said it's watching for minor retracements. And since we consider bullish setup, market has to stay above some predefined levels to keep the short-term bullish context valid. And yesterday we talked about two levels. First one is here, 103.50 and 103.30, 103.25. This is 50% support. And we said we consider this area for possible long position taken as upward continuation. So we can see market hits the first level and starting upward action. By taking a look in other markets, if we take a look on the 10-year bonds, dollar index, for instance, on the dollar index, we do also here do not see any big shifts. So grabbers that have been formed now stands in place. They are still valid, and both suggest drop below these lows. On the 10-year bonds, no sharp reversal of the yields exists, so market collapsed. And based on this ABCD pattern, so with this top, we have the 4.3 destination point. Here's probably smaller ABCD from the initial minor retracement right here. So if we just count it to the downside, yes, approximately this OP of this initial minor ABCD pattern. So here we also do not have any big shifts. But even without taking a look at the 10-year bonds, the performance that we see on the euro currency on the hourly chart doesn't look like bearish action. So on the hourly charts, take a look what's going on. If you remember, yesterday we talked about minor hand shoulders pattern that theoretically could trigger ABCD and reach the predefined levels. But that downside action has happened immediately, so without any minor retracement. So if you remember, previously we thought that it might be something like this. So shoulder, head, this is another shoulder, and then ABCD down. But market has dropped to the first level immediately. So it has hit the 30%, forming this type of the kind of line or something. So in theory, we could suggest a bit skewed a hand shoulders pattern here, this probability of the possible deeper downside action. But for me, it starts looking like more like the wedge pattern. So this slope line and the way how market performs here, it doesn't look bearish. It doesn't look like the shoulder. It more look like that some consolidation. So something like wedge pattern before upward continuation, something of this kind. That's why for more confidence, we could wait until breakout of the 618 level here, 104.07. Once it will be broken, market keep going higher. So there will be more chances that it will start moving to the next destination points. But in general, already right in these points, personally, I don't want to take the short position in the current circumstances. Maybe payrolls numbers will change something. They will be super strong and actually dollar could drop. Euro could drop and it could complete deeper retracement. This is possible. But based on the picture that I see here, for now, in the current situation with the information that we now have on the table, I wouldn't probably consider taking the short position for now. So for me, this type of action looks more like bullish rather than bearish. And based on the overall swings that we have here, actually deep retracement already has been happened in the initial stage. So when the gap has been closed, market shows deep retracement and then keep going higher. So here, well, reaction on the OP has happened, and actually it's very similar to harmonic swing of the BC leg. And from that standpoint of view, I don't know, it's a look, as I said, for me it doesn't look like quite bearish. Besides, if you once again take a look at the hand shoulders that we have on the Great British Pound, here's also things that we have suggested has been done. So if you remember yesterday we talked, or the day before yesterday, we talked about retracement back to the 124 area. And actually this retracement has happened. Why I was speaking about 124, 123.80? It's just because the part of these big hand shoulders you could get minor hand shoulders, and that was the neckline, sorry, that was the bottom of the shoulder. So here you easily could recognize the kind of the small head and shoulders pattern. So it might be something like this. So it's difficult to draw it correctly just because here market hasn't quite reached this horizon line, but in general this is the shoulder, head, and this might be neck shoulder. And even without treating it as a hand and shoulders, you could consider here as a big engulfing pattern. So it's drop and immediate recovery, and that gives us chances that we could get the kind of the ABCD to the upside, and that corresponds to the idea of this overall performance. So taking it all together, currently I probably wouldn't consider taking the short position for now, at least with the information that we have that's available for us in a moment. Let's see what will happen on the perils, but currently it seems that chances on a possible upward direction here seems more probable. So that's probably all for today. Let's wait for the numbers and see what will happen.